All right, it's Wednesday in the gym. Today is an active rest day. We're taking a break from the weights. We are in week 6 of the incremental cycle, and this is the last week. So this will be the last active rest day within that week. Well, there's one more. We've got one on Saturday where we do the ab burner. So we've got the articulate your spine today. It's kind of a spinal and abdominal stretch. So there's 6 Pilates moves, and takes 6 minutes or so. Maybe less, right at 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes, I think. So we'll get on the mat, got it all set up down here, and do these Pilates moves. And then it's raining, so since it's raining outside, I don't think it's gonna let up. It doesn't look like one of those that's gonna let up anytime soon. So we're gonna walk on the inside. So I'll probably do a little shorter walk just to reduce the monotony of the whole thing. But I got the door open because it's letting some cool air in. I still haven't taken the old tarps off the fans over there so we can get some airflow through here. Since we did the roof job this weekend, didn't have time for that. So maybe this weekend I'll have some time to get those down. Of course, I got the lawn to mow and all that good stuff this weekend. Anyway, we're getting off track. Let's get down to business and get this articulate your spine routine done and get our walking done, and then we'll chat. All right, let's hit it. Let's get on the mat and go. All right, that does it for our Wednesday active rest day. Got the old articulate your spine done. It was a great stretch, really good. The, the roll, I forget what they call them. Anyway, the stretching your hamstrings and your, basically you're pulling your ab into your spine while you're stretching forward. And I did kind of get a feel for that finally. I've probably done this more than a dozen times and haven't been able to do what they say in the description, pull your abdomen into your spine while you roll forward. I just never could really feel it, but I kind of felt it today. So I don't know, maybe it's progress, maybe not. Either way, it's a good hamstring stretch, which is good for me. So anyway, got that done. And as you saw, I did the walk indoor, and about 2 miles. 2 miles is, I was aiming for 4,800 steps, and got 4,800 steps, and that's when I stopped. A little over 4,800, and anyway, and there's Bob. Bob came to visit us. We call him Bob because his tail is bobbed. He's a bobcat. There's an actual breed. We thought his tail got messed up or something. He just showed up here at the farm. And we thought his tail got messed up by somebody, and no, they're an actual breed. They're actually the golden retriever or Labrador, the golden retriever of cats. And he's the friendliest thing, let me tell you. Pretty friendly. So, likes to jump up there on top of the fridge where the horse blankets are. He likes attention. Yeah, he likes attention. So, but anyway, yeah, then we did our walk indoor. So tomorrow we've got the back routine. We've got pull-ups with the green bands. I don't know if I'm gonna do all 4 sets with the green band or 1 set with the blue and 3 sets with the green. I'll see what it feels like when I get out. We'll make that determination tomorrow. So yeah, back day, and then of course Friday we got shoulders, and that'll be it for week 6. And we end the incremental cycle, this incremental cycle, or cycle 3 of 2026. So then we'll take a break. We'll do a rest week, and start in on cycle 4 of 2026. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Wednesday. Let's get over the hump and on down the hill. And you guys take care, be safe, get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace. Go do it. All right, see ya.